What is going on, everybody? Welcome to our YouTube channel Coding with T. In today's tutorial, we're gonna make a beautiful animation with Lottie dependency. So I would like to show you a small demo of today's tutorial. If you see the screen, we are going to make this animation screen, this splash screen in this tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, for that I'm creating a new project. Let's say CT111. Yes, now my project is successfully built. Then go to Gradle scripts and go to app module build Gradle file and paste this dependency. This is Lottie dependency which I will provide you in the description box, so go and get from there. Okay, after pasting this, sync your project and then you have to go to your Java file and click on new and create your new empty activity. Okay, I wanna name it as splash screen. Okay, I'm creating my splash screen activity. Now go to the XML file and do some changes here. I want to choose relative layout. You can choose anyone, and I want to give my background color as this color. Then I want to give my one text view with wrap content and ID for text movie as app name. You can give your app name here, and I want to give my app name, let's say text color is white and text is coding with T. Okay, and text size is 25 dp. Text style is bold, and you can give your font family even font sync. Okay, I want to keep my text view at the bottom, so I am aligning my text view with the bottom. True. Yes. And making my text in the center and applying some margin over my text. Okay, yeah, coming to my text view, it is completed. Now add Lottie dependency. Okay, Lottie animation view. For this I want to give my width as 400 dp, height as 400 dp. Okay, I want to put it as center so that we will see it nicely. Okay, now I want to give some more suggestions here. Lottie autoplay, and I want to generate one ID for this as Lottie. Okay, and Lottie file. Okay, here we're gonna paste our animation here. For that you have to go to Google and enter this lottiefiles.com. okay, you can see here, or you can get this link from the description also. Okay, go to this Lottie files and search for your own animation. For example, I will search for delivery bike, delivery this animation. I want to take this animation which I would like to show you. So click on that, and if you see this option download, go and get download JSON file. Okay, after you downloaded that file, come to your Android project and click on resource folder and click on new and generate Android resource directory. Okay, and click on raw and then press OK. After creating raw folder, go and paste your delivery JSON file. Okay, here I pasted my delivery animation. So come to this XML file and give the animation as delivery. Okay, after that go to values, go to themes, and make sure that you are going to make invisible, you are going to hide the action bar. So for that I'm clicking on no action bar. Okay, this makes my action bar hide. Okay, coming to this, my XML file is completed. Just I want to give some more attributes like elevation 5 dp, and if you want you can give many more options. For me it's nice to go, so go to splash screen and give your IDs. Text view. Okay, my text view is app name and Lottie animation view as Lottie. Okay, coming to this, I want to integrate my Java file with XML. For that I'm using find view by RID. Okay, Lottie. Similarly bind this one. Okay, after binding this, take one new handler and post the with method and use runnable method to make it splash screen. Okay, I wanna give 5000 because I wanna show my activity for 5 seconds. Okay, now inside it I wanna shift my splash screen to main activity after 5 seconds. So for that I'm using my intent. Dot class and start your activity. Yeah, we are good to go. Now keep your for more UI development, I wanna give some animations here. So for that you wanna take this. Okay, animate dot translation y minus 1400 dot set duration 2700 dot set start delay 0. Okay, this is the animation which I want to give to my text. Okay, copy the same thing and paste down. Okay, and change this to Lottie. Animation is okay with that, and translation, now you want to give translation X here and make it 2000. Okay, and I wanna give my duration as 2000 and this one is 2100. Now my app is good to go, so I would like to run and show you. One thing I forgot to change, as default my launcher activity is main activities, so I would like to change this and makes my splash screen as my main activity. Now if you see the screen, our splash screen is visible and we have successfully completed our text and animation. Okay friends, thank you. I hope you like the video.